Hey there! If you're a Class 12 student gearing up for Olympiads, IIT, NEET, or just looking to conquer coordinate geometry once and for all, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Coordinate Geometry Foundation course, your launchpad into mastering lines and circles like a pro. Now, let's be honest. Coordinate geometry can seem a bit intimidating at first. Equations, slopes, intercepts, it's a lot. But trust me, with the right approach, it all starts to make sense and even gets fun. That's exactly what this course is about. We're kicking things off with the analytic analysis of lines. You'll get comfortable with all the major equations, slope-intercept, point slope, and general forms. By the end, you'll look at any straight line and know exactly how to describe it and solve for it. No sweat. Then, we'll dive into circles. We'll break down their equations, understand the differences between standard and general forms, and explore how circles interact with lines and other circles. You'll see how these concepts pop up in Olympiad and entrance exam problems, so you'll be ready for whatever question comes your way. But here's what makes this course different. Every chapter builds on the last. You won't just memorize formulas, you'll learn why they work, see real examples, and solve plenty of problems along the way. The goal? To boost your problem-solving and analytical thinking, not just your grades. So, whether you're aiming for the top ranks or just want to feel confident in coordinate geometry, this course is for you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and make coordinate geometry your new strength.